International Newcomer Academy is located at 7060 Camp Bowie Boulevard, Fort Worth, Texas. The area immediately surrounding the campus looks run down. There's a Goodwill and a 99-cent store that give the appearance of a low-income area. I talked with two associates of the local businesses about the school, and they thought it was just a typical school. They had no idea that the 664 students came from so many different countries. The school has 43 staff members working with the middle and high school students to achieve their goals. The students of the International Newcomer Academy come from 39 different countries and speak 37 different languages. All of the students are 100% English language learners and non-English speaking when they begin their time at INA. In Mr. Alvarado's classroom, there are 16 students with a good balance of male to female students. There are multiple languages spoken in Mr. Alvarado's class. He and half the class speak Spanish. There are a few African American students who speak different languages, and 2 Arabic speakers and a Vietnamese speaker. Mr. Alvarado is able to communicate with half his class in Spanish, but there is still a language barrier between the students and the content being taught. Mr. Alvarado provides the students with dictionaries for each of their languages so that they can look up new words and the translations. There is a Promethean board in the classroom that all the lessons are taught on. Mr. Alvarado has many visual aids on the wall to help remind his students of the math concepts and problem-solving methods. He uses small group learning so that the students can learn from one another. My Tootie Dory came to America from the Congo with no prior schooling. She is yet to be tested and has no academic files to work with. She often seems confused while learning with the rest of the class. Dory has a math journal she uses for notes, but it appears that she is merely copying the notes and not learning the information. Even though she is in the 7th grade, she is still trying to grasp how to multiply numbers up to 12. During class, we work together on multiplication using the repeated addition method and using manipulative cubes. When planning his lessons, Mr. Alvarado has to take into account all the different learning levels of his students. He uses his smartboard to show the content to his students so they can see what he is teaching. He has the students read aloud the new content and share it with a partner. During independent practice, Mr. Alvarado uses a 4-corner activity that the students work on in small groups, and he monitors their work. The degree of difficulty changes from corner to corner. Mr. Alvarado knows which students will get which problems right, but allows them to experience all the questions. He uses computers to assist the students who struggle with some of the math concepts. On Fridays, he gives the students an assessment to see what needs to be worked on the following week.